How to view or restore document version history. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can view or restore document version history. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're working on the Word in your laptop and if you're working on certain document, but after working for a long period of time, in case if you forgot to save your document, then the Word will auto-save your document in case if you forgot to save it, if the auto-save option or the feature is saved in your Word. So in order to do that, you have to open up Word in your device. So open Word. Once you open it up, navigate to this option at the bottom left corner and then click on it. On this option, click on the Save menu from this menu bar on your left hand side, and there is two options right here. Make sure to select them both. The first option, Save AutoRecover information. Make sure to check the option, and under that there is another option that says keep the last auto-recovered version if I close without saving. Make sure to check that option as well. Now you can set the time in a minute. So here after the 5 minutes the Word will auto-recover the information. Under that you can select your auto-recover file location. For now I have selected desktop. So once you have saved or selected this settings, click on OK button. Now once you are done, you can open up your document. Now if you have been working on this document and if you want to view the previous version of this document, and if it has been saved, then now in order to see your previous version, click on this file option at the top right corner, and from here you have to click on info. Under info there is an option for manage document. You can click on manage document and then click on recover unsaved documents. Now from your saved location, you have to select your unsaved recovered document and then click on open. After that, you can view your previous version document. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.